Hello, and welcome to Quietude, the podcast for connecting with nature no matter where you are. I'm Sally Trufan, a certified nature and forest therapy guide. This podcast is all about helping you connect with the nature that surrounds you every day, whether that's in your own backyard or a nearby park, or just what you can see looking out a window. We all know that spending time in nature is great for both our physical and mental health. But in our busy lives, a 2 to 3 hour walk in the woods, while awesome, isn't something we can do very frequently. But we can set aside 10 to 15 minutes a few times a week to connect with the natural world that we see every day. In each episode, I'll offer an invitation to go out and explore your nearby nature space. This might be by noticing some small detail of a plant or animal, or using your sense of smell or touch in a new way. I hope to make these fun and exciting while also relaxing, joyful, and letting you connect just a little bit closer to nature. So let's go explore. This invitation is a very popular one in forest therapy. It is how most forest therapy walks start, and it's a great way to transition from a busy day to quieting your mind and becoming present with nature. I will guide you through this entire invitation, offering some ideas for how to tune into nature with your senses. There will be some long 2 to 3 minute pauses in between, but don't worry, I will still be here. So to get started, find a comfortable position where you can be still. You can be seated, standing, or laying down. Now take about 60 seconds and just notice your breathing. You don't have to change how you're breathing or do it in any special way. Just relax and notice it. Let's continue this for another 2 minutes. And if you would like, you can place a hand on your belly and one on your chest and see how your body is moving with your breathing. Now I invite you to take a few minutes to simply look around you and see what your eye is drawn to. What are you noticing? Is it the colors, shadows, different shapes or sizes, or something else? Just take in what your eyes observe. Now, if you would like, you are welcome to softly close your eyes or allow your gaze to soften down to the ground as we explore some of our other senses. Now, take a minute to notice what sounds you hear. Are there different layers of sound that you can hear? Can you separate the sounds in your mind? What are the loudest sounds that you hear? The quietest, the most frequent, the closest, the farthest away? Which sound resonates with you the most? Now I'm wondering what smells there are around you. What are you noticing about what you smell? Is there one that stands out to you? Is there one that evokes any memories? Now you can explore your sense of taste. One way to do this is to purse your lips like you were sipping through a straw and slowly take in some air. What does the air taste like? Lastly, I invite you to think about your sense of touch. What are you feeling on your skin? Can you feel the air as it moves around you? You can try holding out your hands in front of you and slowly moving them through the air. And think about how that might feel. If you'd like, you can touch something that's nearby, the ground, a tree, your clothing or jewelry. What do you notice about it? Now I invite you to slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze to notice the world around you. Does it look any different to you than it did before we started? I hope you enjoyed that way of using your senses to connect with the natural world around you. Feel free to continue your time in nature for as long as you can. If you would like to share about your experience, please join us on our Patreon page at patreon.com/quietudepod or on the Patreon app at quietudepod. You can also leave a review on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts, and be sure to share this with a friend who might enjoy it. Thanks for listening.